video. Hi guys, I'm back again, and excuse my satin bonnet on my head, but me and my husband just got our funny dinner today. Cute, huh? Cute. Little table. And now that we're on the table, I wanted to show you guys the free package I got in the mail from, I think it's Julep Maven, which is like they sell nail products and beauty products, and it's free. This is what I got in the mail. I got this color, which is a Deborah. I don't know if you guys can see that. That came in the mail for free. It came in this cute box. Welcome to Maven card, which is nice. More stuff you could buy. I didn't know you could purchase shoes there. Wow, I'm glad I looked at this. Shoes and accessories. More stuff, the cards, of course, my invoice. And the polish came wrapped in this with these cute little things in a black ribbon. And they also give you an instant warming foot scrub package. And you get another nail polish. This color is Liala. It's like a goldish yellow, pale yellow. And you also get American Beauty volumizing mascara, which actually I wore today, and it came in this box. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but yeah, I have it on today, and I liked it. I like the brush, and I like the way it comes out my eyelashes. And that's pretty much it. I really love it, and I am a Maven now. So I encourage you guys to sign up, and they'll send you this for free in the mail for signing up. Like your first subscription, you don't pay anything but shipping. The shipping was $3.99, and take it out. And I just did this last week. I signed up last week, and I got it this week. So hopefully this helps. Have a blessed day. God bless.